SQL Server 2019. What are the new features of SQL Server 2019? SQL Server 2019-15 X builds on previous launches to expand SQL Web Server as a system that offers you choices of advancement languages, information kinds, on-premises or cloud settings, and running systems. SQL Web Server 2019-15 X presents big information clusters for SQL Web Server. It also gives added capability as well as renovations for the SQL Server Data Source Engine, SQL Server Analysis Providers, SQL Web Server Artificial Intelligence Services, SQL Web Server on Linux, and also SQL Web Server Master Data Providers. SQL Web Server 2019 Express is a free version of SQL Web Server, suitable for growth and also production for desktop, internet, and little server applications. SQL Server 2019 Top 5 New and Exciting Features: Memory-Optimized TempDB Metadata, Accelerated Data Source Healing, ADR, Intelligent Inquiry Processing, IDQ, Improvements, Duplication in Linux, Always Encrypted with Secure Enclaves. It introduces secure enclaves in Always Encrypted innovation. It shields the sensitivity of data while initial data security using the Always Encrypted feature of SQL Web Server. We can additionally do data computation or mathematical procedures, pattern matching, array contrasts to on protected data. About SQL Server Training Certification. SQL Web Server training accreditations can be very beneficial and also useful for some companies, employers, as well as to some SQL professionals directly. According to several surveys, 35% of respondents experienced a pay rise post-certification, and 48% think Microsoft SQL Server qualifications are handy in improving work possibilities. The primary objective of this SQL Server training is to offer each student the expertise and also tricks to be effective as an exercising SQL DBA. The pupil will gain confidence in their SQL Web Server understanding and find out the techniques as well as catches of the SQL examination. Significance of SQL Server training in 2021. Currently, DAYS firms are currently locating those people that are knowledgeable in SQL. It's something to have the capacity to get a high wage. However, companies recognize the well-worth that somebody that is experienced in SQL leads to their organization and also need to hire these individuals. Likewise, in case you intend to transform a job, discovering SQL makes you a favorably searched for prospect. Reasons to learn SQL. High-paying jobs, basic troubleshooting, combined data from several resources, information adjustment, quick accessibility to data. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for SQL Server 2019 training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best SQL training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for SQL Server training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/